Hello, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to connect your domain to HubSpot. First, you have to make sure that you're logged into your account and go to the settings, which you can find on the top right corner, this gear icon right here. Just click that. And now that you're inside, you have to look for website, which you can find under the tools. It could be called as content or website. It depends on your version. And now you have to navigate it and then find domains and URLs, click on that. And now that you're inside, you will see this orange button right here. And you just have to click that as well. And now that you're here, what you have to do is choose what type of content you will host, like website, landing pages, or a blog. Enter your domain name and follow the steps to update your DNS records with your domain provider. And once you're verified, your domain will be connected. That's it. Please like and subscribe if this helped.